In this video, we're going to practice doing a running total. Okay, so what's going to happen is I want to add things up kind of as I go. Um, so first of all, we need some kind of variable to hold the total. Let's call it running total equals, so at first it's obviously 0 because I haven't added anything to it. Okay, let's make a loop. While loop or for loop, it doesn't really matter. Let's just do a for loop, for I in range, say 10. Okay. So what do I want to add? Well, it could be anything. For me, I would just generate a random number of some kind. So I'll import random. Okay, and I'll have num equals random dot randint, and we'll say between 1 and 10. Let's just print a line telling us what the number is. The random number is num. And then here's where we're going to do the running total. I'm going to go running total equals running total plus, and then my random number, which is num. Okay, so I can do it like this. The other way that I can do it, the shortcut way, is to do it plus equals num. And so both of them are exactly the same. I'll leave it like this because this is how people often would typically do something like this. And I can just print another statement, and I'll say the new total is, and then I'll print out the running total. All right, I think that should all work. Let's give it a try. Let's put a little delay. Let's put a little delay there. Import time.sleep 0.5. Okay, and we'll run it. And I didn't do something. I didn't put the right. Yeah, just how do you troubleshoot errors like this? Well, in this case, you have an error like this. Something is not defined. That most likely means that you've used a variable before you set it up, or you used the wrong variable name. So in this case, they told us the exact line, which was this one, line 9. I come up here, line 9, and the only variable in here is the running total, so I can just easily make sure that that is correct. All right, so let's run it. Okay, so yeah, let's make it that a little easier to read. I'm just going to put a time.sleep here. 1 second. 1 second. Let's make the range a little smaller. Okay, so let's do that again. And this time, random number is 4, the new total is 4. Random number is 8, so it's a 12. Random number is 6, 18, so you can see it's adding it every time, and that works out very well. And so that's how you do a running total. So now that I have my running total, I can do whatever I want. I could have done this in a while loop, works exactly the same. Okay, so that's running totals. Again, nothing really new here, just a different way of using our variables. All right, that's all for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.